All right, hello and welcome to Participation in Government. I'm Mr. Pereira. I just want to go over a couple of things for Schoology as we move forward this year that you're just aware of. So we're in Schoology, we're in the Participation in Government course, and you'll see this kind of little logo I made there to kind of help us out and help you identify it from other classes. But working down the list, office hours. So if you schedule an appointment, and you'll need to schedule an appointment with me on Brave Square, just send me a Brave Square message. That's how we'll do it for now. You'll see my office hours posted in resources later. Um, you'll see the office hours posted in the course syllabus as well. Um, so you just check with me. We have an appointment, bring friends along. And then this is the link you would use to get into that Zoom meeting. But if you just click in there, I'm not going to answer because I didn't know you were coming. Just give me a heads up that you want to meet and whether it works for me or not, and if I don't have another appointment or whatever. The next folder is going to be the current week. So every week I will put the current folder in there. And so, for example, this first week you have a few assignments, a couple assignments, pretty easy to look at. Um, and sometimes it might be something as simple as reading or whatever. So this first assignment is going to be how we're going to do things for the first 5 or 6 weeks. And we'll have a topic. This week we're going to look at federalism. And you will get something that looks sort of like this when you click on it. You'll have a tab up here that actually says, I believe it says document. And when you open that, you'll open your own copy of a Google Slides, and there's actually more instructions in there. There's instructions here. Please make sure you read all instructions when moving forward. And so that is there, and you'll see it's due on the 21st, regardless of whether you are a Sherry cohort person or a Gray cohort person. So Gray on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you want to be working on these things, getting them started. You can ask questions and finish it up when we're in class Thursday, Friday. And then Sherry will get you started on it Monday, Tuesday, and you'll need to work on it the rest of the week. And that assignment for the week has really three assignments in there. One is current events, another one is vocabulary, and then an online quiz. So just keep that in mind. We have a resources folder. I'll be adding to this. Right now we have the course syllabus in there, and I'll have another video in here about the course syllabus and expectations. It is your responsibility to read that. That was the other assignment I put in for the week of the 14th, is so that you read it. There's nothing to hand in. So really pay attention to when things are due and whether or not you need to submit something or not. And then at the end of each week, I will take that week's folder and I'll drop it into the previous assignments folder. There's nothing in there right now. So if you miss something, on a Thursday or Friday, you can always find it there. And I usually have a topic to go with it. So when did we work on federalism? You can go back to those. So that's pretty much how Schoology will work. I want to stress again that you're going to have work to do 5 days a week. And so those of you in the Cherry cohort, you'll get started in class on it. And we'll do more with, working on the concept, understanding it, taking some notes. In the meantime, the Gray folks can get started on the work, and then we'll do some notes and everything on Thursday and Friday. And you'll have till Monday morning to get that done. If you have any other questions, shoot me a message on Brave Square, and I'd be glad to help you out. Thanks.